I rented places for years. All of a sudden we moved here, my mind was just like exploding with all these ideas. So I tried to use those as a way to learn more. My name is Sean Spellman. We're here in Westerly, Rhode Island. I'm a musician. We're about 3/4 of a mile from the beach. We have 100 acres of preserved forest that borders our property, and across the street there's a family farm, and we live above our garage in this apartment. This was a garage bay that we turned into our studio. This structure was a one-car garage that was built in 1934 with the original house, and then in 1954 they added the second car garage and they put an apartment above it, and then in 73 they added this third car garage, and then they extended the apartment into a living room. So yeah, I loved it because they left these exterior shingles, so we kept them. We just painted them, cleaned them up a little bit, but I think it adds a real nice texture. With this shelving, we just wanted to give the backdrop of this space just a little bit more interest. I tried to make the space as soundproof as possible. I used sheep's wool insulation. I put sheetrock and shiplap on some of the walls. I like to keep all the wood untreated. I don't like having any synthetics in the home at all. It's just basic pine shiplap. I just rip it to different widths, and I think it gives it more of a Scandinavian look. This is a good corner of the house right here. We like to warm our feet by the wood stove, listen to a record here. What this house has taught me is the power of harnessing the sun. The apartment's on the second floor. There's all these south-facing windows, and when the sun is lower on the horizon in the winter, the light shines right in. And so if it's a sunny day, there are days in January when we have the windows open because it's so warm, and it's just with the wood stove and with the sunlight coming through the southern windows. I think that Westerly is only on the up and up. Things are gonna change regardless. I think that if folks like myself who live here can contribute to the community in positive ways to help that change and steer it into a positive direction, then that's a good thing, and that's the type of place that I wanna live in.